Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be putting two dash cams head-to-head to help you make the best purchasing decision. On the left, we have the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit comes in at just $25, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi is priced at $159.
Now that's a bit of a splurge. So if you're on a tight budget, the REDTIGER might be the way to go. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit boasts an easy installation process. No need to mess around with cables from your car's cigarette lighter socket. It's a permanent hidden cable that can be effortlessly installed.
On the other hand, the FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi doesn't mention anything specific about its installation process.
So if you're looking for hassle-free installation, the REDTIGER might have the upper hand here.
When it comes to 24-hour surveillance, both dash cams have something to offer.
The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit can connect to your car battery or fuse box power, ensuring continuous power supply even when your car is turned off. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your vehicle all the time. The FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi also offers 24-hour parking monitoring with two modes: collision detection and time-lapse recording. So if you're concerned about round-the-clock surveillance, both options have got you covered.
The REDTIGER F7 dash cam hardwire kit doesn't provide specific details about its video resolution, so we can assume it's at a standard level. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi offers top-of-the-line HD lenses, capturing front camera footage in stunning 4K resolution and rear camera footage in full HD 1080p. If you're a stickler for crystal clear video quality, the FOCUWAY is the clear winner here.
The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit offers low-voltage protection, multiple security protections, and a worry-free 1-year warranty for quality problems. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi comes with a firmware update that unlocks new features like screensaver mode and Wi-Fi frequency switch.
It also boasts a larger IPS HD screen, smart voice control, built-in GPS tracking, superb night vision, seamless loop recording, and a G-sensor. If you're looking for a dashcam packed with extra bells and whistles, the FOCUWAY takes the lead here.
The REDTIGER F7N dashcam hardwire kit receives positive reviews for its easy installation and good customer service. The FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi is praised for its high-quality video resolution and user-friendly features. And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit and the FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi in various categories. Ultimately, the choice boils down to your budget and specific needs. If you're looking for an affordable option with easy installation and 24-hour surveillance, the REDTIGER might be your best bet.
However, if you're willing to splurge for top-notch video resolution and a plethora of additional features, the FOCUWAY is the way to go.
Remember, it's all about making a smart purchase that suits your preferences.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Until next time, happy shopping, smart shoppers!